Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Verlin in Kentucky on the Stryker sr-497. Verlin, I got you ready to go, bud. Let's get right to it. RF power set all the way down. We set that at 5 watts for you all the way down. Now, Verlin, that's only if you decide to run it with a 4-pill or bigger one of these days. You'll want to have full adjustability. But let me go over to the 100 watt slug and show you what it is RF power all the way up. It's 20 watts all the way up. Now I suggest you run it right there when you're going to run just the radio. Let me show you average power swing. Hello, about 58 bird average. Peak power, 100 watt slug. Hello, 100 watts in the corner. I'm going to take the 100 watt slug out. Put a 500 watt slug in. We're reading the middle scale of numbers. The 10 is now 100. Hello. About 140 watts. Alrighty, Verlin, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.